Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change brightness on laptop or PC. Chapter 1. How to change brightness on laptop or PC from your own application. To start, right-click on the desktop, click on Show More Options, and then click on NVIDIA Control Panel. There, click on the line, Adjust Desktop Color Settings. You can click on each of the available screens. When doing so, use the slider bar in the Brightness section to adjust the respective brightness on that screen. When you configure it, click Apply. Chapter 2. How to change brightness on laptop or PC from the utility. First, open the Windows Store. There, search for Twinkle and click on the Twinkle Tray, Brightness Slider Utility. Click on Install and now wait for the app to be downloaded and installed locally. Click Open when finished. Now, in the taskbar, click on the application icon, and this will give you the ability to use the sliding bars on each available screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.